Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf beam in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf beam. The door shelf beam is mounted on the inside of the fresh food door. The main reason to replace the door shelf beam is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. The door shelf beam we're replacing is at the bottom of the door. To remove the door shelf beam, we need to lift it up. This is the old door shelf beam next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door shelf beam, we're going to bring it in, slide it in all the way, and press it down. And now we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.